Hey everyone, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the Zaini'S kitchen. Hope you guys are doing great today. In today's video, we're gonna be making kids meal very easy and simple. This is a pizza cutlets. It's very easy to prepare and it's really yummy. So if you are ready, let's get started. Okay, to start we need potato. I already boiled my potato and I mash it to save time. We'll need also chicken. I boiled my chicken and I mash in small pieces. I cut in small pieces. So I have my vegetable here and the carrots is already boiled. As you can see, soft. So everything I'll drop in the description box, guys. If you want to try out this recipe, check it out my description box and you will find all the ingredients. So I fried the chopped garlic and onion until it's soft. Once it's soft, you're gonna add chicken. Now we're gonna add some salt and spices. Give a good mix and add green pepper and carrots. Okay, now I'm gonna just add 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk. I'm gonna add also my fresh coriander and cook for 1 minute until the milk is nicely dry. It's having 1 minute already. The milk is nicely dry. Now I'm gonna just put in the plate and set aside. Okay, now we're gonna bring our mashed potato and add some black pepper, salt, and mix everything together until it's well combined. Okay, now I'm gonna just take 1 tablespoon of potato and press it down in my hands to just make sure it's nicely flat, because I have to put my chicken and mozzarella in the center of potato. So now just take a chicken and place in the center of potato, then you follow with the mozzarella cheese. Okay, now I'm gonna just bring the potato from the sides and make sure I cover nicely mozzarella cheese and the chicken very well. Okay, this is how it should be. You can't see the chicken or mozzarella cheese is nicely sealed. Now I'm gonna just set aside and finish the rest. Okay, to fry we need plain flour, eggs, and breadcrumbs. Now I'm going to take my pizza cutlet, dip into the plain flour first, then you dip in the eggs like so, and then you cover with the breadcrumbs. Now that we're done, we're gonna fry our pizza cutlet until it's light golden, and make sure your oil is not too hot, it's just like medium. Okay guys, this is how I'm making my pizza cutlet. If you did like this video, please give me a thumbs up, share with the family and friends, comment down below and tell me what you think about the recipe. If you want to try out and let me know how did it come out. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe now and join this family. Thank you again for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.